Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to solve exponential equations. This is very common in the competitive exams. So now see how to solve it. Here, in order to solve these problems, I'm going to use the laws of exponential rule. So let's have a look how we'll solve it. 10 to the power x 3 times. So I'll take common here. 10 to the power x I will take common. Then if we divide it by 10 to the power x, you will get 1 plus 1. Here also if you divide it, you will get 1. This is 0 0.0. Also we can write 1 also we can write 3 divided by 100, right? If I 3 divided by 100, you will get 0.03. All right, so now this is 10 raised to the power x, and if we add 1 plus 1 plus 1, you will get 3, right? Here I'll write same as it is. Now I'll divide it by 3 because we are going to find out the value of x. So I'll divide it by 3. Here also same thing, I'm going to divide it by 3. So these three will cancel with each other. Then we will get 10 raised to the power x. Here 3 divided by 100. If I'm going to make it multiply, then we have to take the reciprocal of this. So it will be 1 by 3. And these three will cancel with each other. So what will get? 10 raised to the power x. So that is 1 by 100. 100 means I can write 10 square. 10 square is 100. Right? Now, what will do? 10 raised to the power x. Then if I take it is in the numerator, so the rule is that 1 by a to the power minus 1. If we take it to the numerator, it will be a to the power 1, positive 1. This is the laws of exponents I'm going to use here. So it will be 10 to the power minus 2. That is reverse. Here is minus, it's become plus, but here it is plus, it's become minus. So here see, the base are same, so obviously their power will be equal from the laws of exponent. So therefore x equal to minus 2 is the value of x. I hope I can make it clear to everyone. Thank you for watching.